Starting a papercup manufacturing business can be a rewarding venture in the packaging industry. Below is a step-by-step guide to help you set up and run your papercup manufacturing business.
Step 1. Market research. Conduct thorough market research to understand the demand for papercups in your target market. Identify your potential competitors, their strengths, weaknesses, and pricing strategies. Analyze customer preferences and identify potential clients, such as coffee shops, restaurants, offices, and events.
Step 2. Business plan. Develop a comprehensive business plan outlining your business goals, target market, marketing strategy, budget, and projected financials. Determine the types and sizes of papercups you plan to manufacture.
Step 3. Legal and regulatory requirements. Register your business and obtain all necessary licenses and permits to operate a manufacturing business in your area. Comply with environmental regulations related to waste disposal and recycling.
Step 4. Location and infrastructure. Choose an appropriate location for your manufacturing facility, considering factors such as proximity to suppliers and customers, ease of transportation, and availability of skilled labor. Set up your manufacturing unit with necessary machinery, such as paper cup forming machines, cutting machines, printing machines, etc.
Step 5. Raw materials and suppliers. Source high-quality raw materials required for papercup manufacturing, such as food-grade paper, ink, and coatings. Establish relationships with reliable suppliers to ensure a steady supply of materials.
Step 6. Manufacturing process. Hire skilled operators to handle the manufacturing process and machinery. Implement quality control measures to ensure that your papercups meet industry standards and customer expectations. Set up a system to manage inventory effectively and avoid stockouts.
Step 7. Printing and design. If you plan to offer custom printing, invest in printing equipment and hire skilled designers to provide personalized papercups for clients. Develop a portfolio of standard designs that customers can choose from if custom printing is not required.
Step 8. Marketing and sales. Create a strong brand identity and logo for your papercups. Utilize various marketing channels such as social media, website, and local advertisements to promote your business. Offer samples to potential clients and attend industry events to showcase your products.
Step 9. Distribution and sales channels. Establish distribution channels to deliver your papercups to clients efficiently. Consider selling directly to local businesses and also explore partnerships with distributors and wholesalers.
Step 10. Quality assurance and customer service. Implement a robust quality assurance process to maintain the quality of your papercups consistently. Provide excellent customer service to build strong relationships with clients and encourage repeat business.
Step 11. Scaling and diversification. As your business grows, consider expanding your product line to include other types of packaging products, such as food containers or plates. Invest in automation and technology to increase production capacity and efficiency.
Remember that starting a manufacturing business requires careful planning, dedication, and a focus on quality. Be adaptable and open to learning from your experiences to continuously improve your papercup manufacturing business.